Welcome to our video. So this app is named Relax 360 app. It is a virtual reality app that helps people who are facing sleeping disorders by introducing them to natural background scenes.
Alright, thank you so much Charmaine for the head up. So next we're going to talk about why do we choose the theme of Relax 360 application. So basically sleep deprivation has an impact on almost everyone regardless of their occupation, whether they are students, they are working, or even young adults. Everyone would have sleep problems. It can lead to heart disease, dementia, and even cancer based on New Straits Times 2019. A national survey even states that 9 out of 10 Malaysians are facing at least one sleeping problem. Therefore, we hope that this 360 application can be relaxing for others and also help with the sleep deprivation. Also next, based on Melnick 2019 Interdream for MIT University Exertion Games Lab gathers sleep specialists and researchers who believe these VR devices can be used to surpass sleeping quality for those who are facing sleeping issues. So I hope with this Relax 360 application, we can give positive feedbacks for the participants. I'll pass this to my next friend.
So does the nice patients give positive feedback when they participated in a panel discussion on their experience with the application of medical virtual reality. Next, this app contains 2 scenes with menu and info. 3 C# scripts has been used in this app. There are 7 kinds of assets downloaded from the Unity Assets Store. Also, an info panel with back to menu button are also included.
So we are going to explore our app. Okay, so it's a very simple view here, and this is our menu. Okay, so we have this info section and the play section. Okay, so we access to the info section where they guide us on how to play the app. Okay, so let us exit and we will start playing the game. So this is our first scene, which is the so we have this very nice view with the forest sound. And this fire along. Okay. So we proceed to the next one. So we have another scene, which is the beach scene. We get to enjoy the view. Really hope you enjoy the beach scene. Actually very nice, as you can see from behind. So this is the info panel for you to refer to it. Okay. So we head back to menu and then we close it to end our app. Okay, thank you.
Now we move to usability testing. For usability testing, we choose system usability scale questionnaire to measure our app's usability. So we conduct this test among 5 individuals who are working adults and students, 2 males and 3 females. This instrument consists of 10 items. It is covered 2 factors, usable and learnable.
For the part of data analysis, everyone except R2 and R3 show dissatisfaction towards this app due to low exposure to such technology. None of them found the app unnecessarily complex. R2 neutral, R3 disagree, and rest agree that the app was easy to use. R2 and R3 agreed that they would need assistance to use the system. Excluding R3, all agree the functions of the system is well integrated. All disagree on the inconsistency of the system. Everyone except R3 thinks that others would learn this system with ease. And none of them found the system cumbersome and awkward. Everyone agreed that they were confident using the system except R3. R2 and R3 agreed that they need to learn a lot of things before using the system, while R4 and R5 disagree and R1 was neutral.
Challenges. The main challenge of developing this application was creating a realistic environment virtually. This is because the construction of the synthetic world does not involve stitching photos together. Many elements from the Unity Asset Store must be used in advance in the application to create a realistic view of the beach and campsite. The examples of assets used are campfire, terrain, fog, tent, grasses, logs, trees, beach, and etc. Another challenge was creating the sense of immersiveness and presentment. The user must feel immersed into the scene while using Relax 360 application. So suitable background sound that matches the scene was added in sync for the user to feel immersed and present. Different background music is used for the beach scene and the campsite scene. The hardest challenge of the project was lack of knowledge in using Unity. Due to disruption in learning through tutorial classes, we had to access different sources like YouTube video and learning websites to learn how to use Unity for the project.
In conclusion, throughout this project, we have learned that there are many researchers have been studied that VR technologies could help patients with sleeping problems to get well sleep due to its ability of placing users into the virtual world by the degree of immersiveness and presentment. We also learned how is the technique used in VR to help the patients, and we managed to build the Relax 360 app by using Unity 3D. And this app will be more complete in terms of UI and user experience if the development period is long enough.
So this is the end of our presentation. If you have any question, you are welcome to leave down the comments or you can ask us directly. Thank you.